Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about dry rubs. But first, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take that opportunity to do it now. Also, our 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on. So check out the rules for that. The descriptions for the link to the rules is down in the description below. Alrighty, so dry rubs. Now, some of you saying, well, I never use dry rubs. Why would I want to stock them now? Well, some people that don't use dry rubs are planning on doing hunting to gather meat. And sometimes meat can get a little gamey and you want to flavor it up to hide that gaminess, or you just want to flavor it up just to give it a more exciting flavor. And that's where dry rubs come in, especially if you're going to be smoking it and slow cooking it. So check into dry rubs. You don't have to get a big old bottle of it. You can get the little individual packets that you can test. That way you can test a bunch of different ones and find out which ones are the ones you like. That way you're not wasting money buying a big bottle of one that is like, oh, this is not like I thought it was going to be. So you'll get the small packets, test it out, and figure out which ones you like, and then add a few to your prep so you're able to season up stuff. Also, even if you're not going out hunting, if you say you're raising your own beef, sheep, whatever, just something to change up the flavor on it does make is sort of a morale booster for everyone. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, skills. Why? Well, this is why.